Hi, in today's video I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of those cool bamboo toothbrushes. Hello again, so today I'm going to talk about bamboo electric toothbrushes that come in 4 packs. They are made from bamboo and they are made for Sonicare toothbrushes. So the toothbrush I have is Philips Sonicare, and this is the battery operated toothbrush. Those heads also fit the different kinds of Sonicare, so make sure the one that you're buying for is going to fit it. And this is plastic one, that's what we normally use. As you can see, this perfectly fits regular Sonicare toothbrush, and it works just like regular toothbrush head. This is just pure bamboo, so this is recyclable, or you can just throw it into the garbage and it's going to decompose. This brush is, I think, around 30% plastic, so before dumping or recycling you may want to pull those bristles to recycle properly. And this best part of it is that instead of using plastic, which you really cannot recycle, you have to send it for recycling to some companies that do it. As you can see, there's a metal part, you have plastic, you have bristles. They are made out of plastic also. So according to the package, there's only 6% of plastic content in this bamboo, and they come in 4 different colors. The one thing that I want to point out, those are soft bristles, so depending on what you like. I personally like a little bit harder bristles. Works like a regular toothbrush bristle. It's a little bit soft, it has nice curves to clean your teeth perfectly. So if you want to help environment, this is the way to go. We should all go away from using the plastics and go into more natural products. You can pull those bristles, like I said, and then you can recycle them, and this you can just throw in the garbage and it will decompose in a garbage field, or you can just decompose it somewhere else. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.